Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video here today. We're going to be working on Mama's nails and she wants a fresh new set. So we're going to get rid of this New Year's design and start something gorgeous. And so I'm just starting by taking off the design with my brand new nail bit from Todac USA. It is the large cone course, I believe. I'll double check, but I'll leave everything I use in the description box below. It was my first time ordering from them and I'm really pleased, so if you guys get the chance, definitely check them out. I did get a new brush from them as well, so we're going to be using that too. And after I finish taking off the design on all the fingers, I'm going to go through with the cuticle bit and take off all the skin off all the fingers around the cuticle area and nip any off if I need to. If not, then I'll just leave the finger alone. After that, we will prime, dehydrate, and start the acrylic application.
Too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
I didn't get very much of the acrylic application in this video just because I wasn't in frame for most of it. So I do have other videos though showing how I do apply the acrylic onto nails. If you guys want to check any of those out, I'll have some tags throughout the video up above. Otherwise, you can just click on my name and check out my channel, and then you can also subscribe after you watch my other videos.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.
Alrighty guys, here we are moving on to the design. Now for this one, I'm just gonna paint all of her fingers except for the ring finger in the color All About the Monet, and that includes her thumb as well. The ring finger is going to be a burnished glitter design with gold. So I'm gonna apply yellow stopper to that finger and then burnish that. You guys have seen me do this plenty of times, but I'll still show it in this video just in case you don't or haven't watched my other videos. So if you haven't, then you should though, because there's really awesome stuff and I do some really cool designs. So anyways, I didn't get the flower design on this hand that I'm doing in the frame, but I am going to include it on the next hand so that you guys can see just how I did that. And for applying the bling in the middle of the flowers, I'm going to be applying the gel matte top coat and then just putting the rhinestones just on top of that, and then I will cure them in the lamp for 1 whole minute.
Too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets.
So here are the little flowers that I did. I'm applying the gel matte top coat right now, but I just used my dotting tool and some white gel polish on the end of it and just did 5 little dots in a circle. And that was my flower. So it was really pretty simple, but like I said, I will show it in the next ones, but I just wanted to get on here and let you know that I am applying that top coat and then putting the rhinestones on that top coat before I'm curing that, just so that those rhinestones cure into that top coat and it kind of grabs onto the sides of them and really secures them in there. So that's what I did, because I didn't want to apply a shiny one and then a matte on top of that, because I felt like it was going to raise those up and just make it look really chunky and weird. So I just did it all in one shot. Anyways, so there's that. And when I come back, we will be working on the flower design on the other hand, since I didn't get it on this hand. Oh yeah, I added more bling onto the other nest. How could I freaking forget? So I did the same exact thing. I applied the gel matte top coat, and then before I cured it, I put those rhinestones on there so that when I put it in the lamp, it cured those stones into the top coat. I do that on the pointer finger with 2, and then on the pinky I did 1. And I did that on both hands, and then the thumb is the plain Jane of the group. So that also happened. If you guys can't tell, my mind is kind of every other which way today. So anyways, this is just me applying those 5 little dots in the circle with the white gel polish on the end of my dotting tool. That's what it's called. I'm doing 3 diagonally and then 2 on the bottom half. 1 on the bottom half and then 1 on the top half. It's just, you'll watch and you'll see. I kind of did like a dice design and then just filled in space. This is such a terrible voiceover video, but I'm gonna put it up anyways because it was a super cute design. I had so much fun doing it, and I know that you guys are gonna love it. So after this, we will be finished up looking at the final pictures. Woo! We made it to the end, and look at how gorgeous this set is. I absolutely love the design and the play on colors. If you guys did too, don't forget to like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and come back to hang out with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!